Can you buy replacement parts for your sweeper robot that are manufactured by a third party? Cici will show you the third-party accessories produced by the techTongBo, which are not only fully compatible with the machine, but also have excellent cleaning ability. The key is that they are much less expensive than the original. These are the original accessories, and these are our third-party accessories. This ruler brush is for the ecovacs X2. The original and third-party accessories are the same size. Take a closer look at the bristles part. The third-party bristles seem to denser, while the original's glossy looks better. So there is no problem at all with using a third-party ruler brush if you only think about functionality. The wipes and dust bugs are considered the most frequently replaced accessories. They are really simple to manufacture. We offer 3 color options for this dust bag, and it can also be customized with an additional layer of activated carbon on top of the original dust bag. Additionally, we can incorporate a zipper design for added convenience. This is a filter made by techTongBo. We installed it on the machine, and we can see that it is fully compatible with the machine. Although the sweeping robot filter can be washed and cleaned and used rapidly. However, as the accessories age, they will still reduce the filtration efficiency and need to be replaced regularly. This May brush, side brush, filter, marpite, cover, etc. are all third-party accessories that we have, which can be installed onto the machine very smoothly, and the machine can do a good job floor cleaning as well. To summarize, if you need to find cheap and good sweeper robot accessories, quality third-party accessories are a good choice. If you are interested in our accessories, please contact us quickly.